So guys, how to use green screen in CapCut? It's really simple. Suppose we want to make a picnic scene for our cartoon. For that, let's bring our background. Now suppose we want to make a cooking spot here. So let's bring the campfire. Let's scale it down. Now the last, our character. Let's position the character too. So we are done with our setting. Now to remove the green background, select the layer, then go to video, cutout. From cutout, select the chroma key, click on the eyedropper tool, then select the color. For information, this will work for all colors. Just make sure that your subject is in different color. Now left click, increase the strength. If your character have any shadow, you need to play with the shadow slider too. So guys, that's how easily we can remove the green background in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.